Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. So on Friday, our markets fell because of TCS results, and now over the weekend, the 30% tax, 30% tariff against the European Union and Mexico is denting the sentiment globally. The US futures are about half a percent lower. I think European futures are also. But to some extent, this news has already been factored in because this news was expected during Friday, but it came on Saturday. So that's why the GIFT Nifty, which closed about 30-40 point higher on Friday, but now indicating 30-40 point lower opening. So that means a total of 70-80 point wiped out. So the things are clearly not looking in favor of bulls. And Friday, the markets broke down the important support level of 25,200. And then if market recovers quickly, then we can say, it is a knee-jerk reaction to TCS results. But the way GIFT Nifty indicating today, the global markets are reacting. If our market also react the same way, so then it's going to be a trouble for bulls. And Nifty has already fallen more than 500 points from the recent high. And the next important support level is 25,000. No, but it can fall because recently, from the recent low, I think in February or March, 21,750. From there, so Nifty has shot up 5,000 points. In a longer time frame, Nifty can correct 2,000 point also. Even if it corrects 2,000 point, it's going to be a 50% retracement of the last bull run. But that's a longer term perspective. So there's no short term. So for short term, there's nothing to worry much. But I still feel that, so this is the time we need to revise the downside limit from 25,000 to 24,800. So because 25,000 can come under attack now. So now looks like, the bears are having a slightly upper hand. However, things can change, if some other results like Tech Mahindra, Tata Technology, HCL Technology, Wipro. So if there is results are good, then, the markets might attempt to recover a little bit. In fact, on Friday in US markets, Indian ADRs, Infosys ADR was slightly higher. But whereas HDFC Bank ADR and ICICI Bank ADR both were slightly down. So, now IT stocks may stabilize, may even try to recover a little bit. But then, the next leg, next set of numbers are from banking stocks. So the people might start booking profits in banking stocks. So that might drag Bank Nifty. So that is what I can read from what the US ADR shows. So one has to be very careful because people are sitting with profit only in banking stocks, and people are not sitting with any profit in IT or pharma or IT or FMCG or auto stocks. So because Bank Nifty is the only index that has outperformed it in the last 1 or 2 months. So moreover, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank put together as about 50% weightage. So that 50% weightage results are coming on this Friday. Saturday. So anyway, its impact will be seen Monday. And moreover, today there's an inflation data. So inflation data will come, wholesale price inflation data will come during the market hours. Consumer price inflation data will come after the market hours. And not only in India and US and Europe also, the inflation data will be coming out. So that will have some kind of expectation on future rate of interest. So that might affect rate sensitive sectors like banking and auto, etc. So overall, this is really time to be cautious. Earlier I said 25,000 to 26,000, and now like we can comfortably say, upside is definitely has come down. So then I revised the target to 25,000 to 25,800. But if any market, panic reaction, further bears are, taking the upper hand, then we may have to change our view to 24,800 to 25,800. Even if somebody has sold 25,000 put option, and because of time value, they might be sitting in profit or minor loss. So if they close that and then move it to 24,800, they are not going to lose much. But on the other hand, they would have made very good profit on the call side. So that is what exactly I'm planning. If today, if Nifty is not closing in green, so I'm planning to move my 25,000 put options to 24,800 put options, so that, I will have another 200 point buffer on the downside. So otherwise, as usual, keep watching. But TCS and Infosys today, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, and then Reliance Industries. So these stocks will be having the major impact on index. So broader markets, the other day, Hindustan Unilever was saving the market. Glenmark Pharma, although it is not an index heavyweight, shot up nearly 20%, closed around 15% higher. But now it has come under the trading ban, so you cannot trade Glenmark Pharma. And so broader market, so we have to keep watching. As I told you, these are all like temporary blips. Right? If you are a long-term investor, so any fall between 500 to 800 points in Nifty, so that is the time to take long position with some kind of a hedge. Say, for example, you can buy Nifty Beats and then buy 25,000 put option expiring in December. So if you do that, even if market continue to fall, the oddly you will lose 2 to 3%, not more than that. But if the market recovers, right, even what has fallen like 700, 800 point fall, even the same amount recovers also, you will get back that 2 to 3%. So, but if the market continue to fall, nothing to worry. You will lose only 2 to 3%. And how you can recover that 2 to 3% also through some other means. There are ways and means of doing that. Okay, so that's what we teach in our workshop. So coming Saturday and Sunday, there's a workshop in Bengaluru. So if you're interested, you can check the description. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.